Welcome to part 2 of this review with the Coleman Lakeside tent. As I said, we're going to set it up outside with a bit more room and we'll see how we go. Sorry about what we dealt with on the last review. So all in all, it's a nice looking tent. It's got plenty of room in the first vestibule area. You could probably sleep 2 people side by side here if you needed to. And then you come into the actual tent. You got a window at the back, 2 windows on the sides. You got your pocket down there for your goodies. And yeah, double fly. It's pretty nice. Okay, all in all, I'm pretty happy with the tent. It's well made, it's really good quality. Yeah, it's easy to set up, very easy to set up. It probably took me about 10 to 15 minutes by myself. Obviously it's not pegged into the ground, so it doesn't look as good as it probably would. Yeah, Coleman's a pretty good brand for camping and stuff, so hopefully it holds up. I'd give it probably a 4 out of 5 only because I haven't used it yet, so I don't want to give it 5 stars. Thanks again, see you next time.